Today we're going to be building a query to return our top 100 donors who are people. To get started, log into Slate and head on over to the Query tool. Once in the Query tool, select New Query, give it a name, you can select Folder, Realm, and Share it if you want other folks to see it. When it comes to the base that we want to select, we want to make sure our category is under Records, under Configurable Joins, and our base is going to be Persons, as we want to return one row per person in our query. When you're all ready, hit Save. Now with our query created, let's go ahead and add some exports. Let's go ahead and grab the reference ID and the name so we can return that for each row in our query. The next thing we want to add is going to be a subquery export. This is going to be the sum of the lifetime giving. In this subquery export, we want to change our output to an aggregate of sum. And let's go ahead and give it a format max of C for currency so it looks pretty. Now let's join from our person table out to our gift table. Once here, let's go ahead and grab the amount of the gifts so we can sum that up. In the filter section of our subquery export, we're going to go ahead and filter for what gifts we want to sum up. In this case, we're going to want to make sure those gifts are not reversed or corrected. We want to make sure those gifts has a status category of received. We want to make sure those gifts are not in any sort of pending status, so we're going to say that the online payment status is not an online payment and payment received. And we're going to go ahead and decide, in this case, what kind of credit we want to do. Some institutions may want to add up both soft and hard credits. Some just may want to add up hard credits. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and just add up our hard credits. Once that is all set, we're going to go ahead and hit Save. With our exports added, we will need to sort our query returns by the sum of the person's lifetime giving. To do this, select the sort below and select from the Selected Export section Sum of Lifetime Giving. Once added, double-click on the sort and remove the format mask. Set the sort order to descending and hit Save. With our exports and sort added, we now want to return the top 100 rows. To do this, click on Edit Properties. In the Limit Row section, we want to put in the number of rows we want to return. In this case, 100. Hit Save. With our query all set, let's go ahead and run our query and see our results. As you can see, we're returning 100 rows, and we're starting with the highest lifetime giving and working our way down. And that's how it's done. Thanks, everybody.